Hi, I'm Barbara from Homestead. Thanks for joining us. So today we're going to talk about balances over sliders. People think that they can only just do the shades or blinds over the sliders, and that's not the case. You can actually, elevate the look by adding a top treatment. So you can do a couple of things. You can do a cornice. I did one with a cornice on a slider and a duet shade underneath, so it just kind of tucks up underneath the cornice when it's up and away. I've also done something called a box pleat balance, another pretty balance. And I've also done stationary panels on either side, so that's another totally different look. And then you can also, of course, do a relaxed Roman balance, it's pretty too. So don't just think that your slider can only just be, blinds or shades and that's it. You can definitely dress it up with other things. If you have any questions, just give us a call, 631-423-5782. Thanks.